This is a federal court judge by the name of Ian Jackman. He just called out 6 of his colleagues. It's no surprise to us how long these verdicts come down. Some of them take 2 years, some take 3 years, some take 5. I mean, what the fuck are you doing all that time sitting in trial? Are you not taking notes? Are you not already coming to a conclusion of where you're going to go with this? Why the fuck is it taking 2 to 3 years and people are losing their livelihoods? And yes, you are absolutely correct. People do not trust the judicial system anymore. When people lose faith in the judicial system and in Parliament, there will no longer be a government or a judicial system. Desi Freeman, that's just the start of it. There are many more out there. Thirdly, the world is waking up to the Epstein files and how no one in the United States and Australia has been held to account. That's time, that's money, that's a corporation that would have sacked you. So why haven't some of these judges been sacked? Why are they retiring on a comfortable pay when they haven't even done their jobs? But well done to this judge. There should be more and many of them. These are the people that we need in our courtrooms.
The egregious delays by some judges in delivering reserved judgments represent a real and growing threat to the rule of law in Australia. Delays of 9 months or more are relatively common in some courts, including my own, and a significant number of judgments of the Federal Court are reserved for about 2.5 years or more. For example, Justice Lindsay Foster decided Masters in Loam in 2019, a little over 3 years after the completion of a trial which lasted only 4 days, although illness may have been an extenuating circumstance. Justice John Nicholas decided Toole, Jen and Fisher in 2023, 2 years and 9.5 months after an 8-day trial. Justice Katrina Banks-Smith decided Easy Fit Engineering and Microm a little over 2 years and 4 months after a 10-day hearing. Justice Bernard Murphy decided Southernwood and Brambles this year, some 3.5 years after the hearing. Justice Bernard Murphy also heard the case of Gall and Domino's Pizza, the last day of the hearing having been in November 2022, 3.5 years ago, yet judgment still stands reserved. Justice Scott Goodman decided ASIC and Nuix this year, 2 years and 5 months after a 16-day trial, although His Honour did have the good grace to apologise for the delay. And Justice Cathy Farrell didn't write a judgment at all in Smart Education and CLGC after reserving for 2.5 years and simply walked away into the contented sunset of retirement on a full judicial pension and left it for someone else to be allocated the task of doing the work. Even if that judge hadn't been me, I would still be just as ashamed for the institution of the Federal Court.